After an emergency, you may need to survive on your own for several days, meaning having your own food and water. Example of my emergency disaster kits are: first, clean water to stay hydrated. Second, canned food so I can eat while I'm hungry and it can last for several days. Canned food, I can can opener so I can open canned food easily. Face mask so I can stay safe from different diseases in the evacuation center. Plastic garbage so I can keep my stuff so my stuff won't be scattered anywhere. Cell phone so I can contact my family while there is an emergency. Power bank so my phone can stay loaded. Flashlight so I can see while it's dark. Batteries while there is a power interruption. Clothes so I can change when my clothes get wet during the thunderstorm. Hygiene kit so I can keep the cleanliness of my body. My my medicine kit or first aid.